In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to Instagram. First, let's start by opening Canva. When you open Canva, you will be greeted by a clean and user-friendly interface. This is the place where you can create stunning designs for your social media posts, presentations, and more. You will see a variety of templates and options available. This is important because having access to these tools allows you to unleash your creativity. Once you are in, you can easily navigate to find the design you want to work on. Next, open the design you want to post. You can either create a new design or choose one from your existing projects. If you have a specific post in mind, locate it in your dashboard. When you open your design, you will see all the elements you have added. This includes text, images, and graphics. Having the right design ready is crucial because it sets the tone for your Instagram post. You want to ensure everything looks just right before sharing it with your audience. Now, click the Share button located at the top right corner. This button is the gateway to sharing your design with the world. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with various sharing options. This step is essential because it allows you to choose how you want to distribute your design. You will see options such as sharing via email, downloading, or connecting directly to social media platforms. From there, select the More option from the drop-down menu. This is where you will find additional sharing options that are not immediately visible. By clicking on More, you will be able to see a list of services that can be linked to your Canva account. This step is important as it gives you access to a wider range of sharing tools, allowing you to connect with different platforms seamlessly. At this point, find Instagram in the list that appears. Scrolling through the options, you will see various social media platforms you can connect to. When you see Instagram, click on it. This is a crucial step because it allows Canva to initiate the connection process with your Instagram account. You want to ensure that you select the correct platform to avoid any confusion later on. Next, click the Connect button. This action will prompt Canva to start the connection process with Instagram. You may see a loading screen for a brief moment. This confirms that Canva is working to establish the link. A successful connection is important as it will allow you to share your designs directly to your Instagram profile without any hassle. After that, log in to your Instagram account. You will be prompted to enter your Instagram username and password. Make sure you enter the correct credentials to gain access. This step is vital because it authenticates your account, ensuring that only you can share content on your behalf. Once you log in, you may need to verify your identity through a security prompt, which is a great practice for maintaining account security. With that done, allow Canva access to your Instagram account. You will see a prompt asking for permission for Canva to manage your Instagram. This is an important step, as without granting access, you won't be able to post your designs. It is reassuring to know that this allows Canva to help streamline your posting process while keeping your account secure. Now, choose how you want to share your design. You will see options such as sharing directly to Instagram, scheduling with Canva if that feature is available, or downloading the file to post manually. This flexibility is beneficial because it allows you to choose the method that works best for you. If you are looking for immediate engagement, sharing directly is ideal. If you want to plan ahead, scheduling is a great option. Finally, decide on your preferred sharing method and follow the prompts to complete the action. This final step ensures that your design is shared exactly how you want it. Whether you are posting immediately or planning for later, you can rest assured that your design is now ready for your Instagram audience. By following these steps, you have successfully connected Canva to Instagram and can now share your creativity with the world.